Hey, this is Sabrina, lead trainer for Ballen Brands. I'm going to show you guys today how to set up a Facebook event. If you are a real estate agent, this is going to be really great for open houses. If you guys have any community events that you guys are doing or anything like that. And then if you're not in real estate, any other events that you guys may be hosting. But I'm going to use real estate just kind of as our general example today. So first thing you're going to do is go to your business page on Facebook. And then on the left-hand side, you'll see an events section. So from here, you can see your existing events, and it does give you the option to create an event here. So once you click that button, we're just going to start from the top and kind of work our way down. You can choose an event photo. Now you can put just a regular photo in here, or you can pop over to canva.com, and Canva actually has quite a few different designs here for you, one of them being a Facebook event cover. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that and just create one just for an example here. I like the ones that have the text right in the middle. So I'm just going to choose this one here. I'm going to go to my uploads, and I am just going to pop in a couple of images here. Okay, you can go ahead and change all of this text if you want to. So I'm going to say, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4 Unicorn Way, open house. Whoops. That is really big text. You have edit options at the top here to edit your text. And we do have separate training videos on Canva here for you guys as well. Okay. And I'm just going to say, actually that date is perfectly fine. So then I'm going to go ahead and download this. And pop back over to Facebook. So you can click this change photo or video button. You can find that picture you just created and upload it right in. Okay. It does give you the option to drag to reposition it. Again, this is why I like the text right in the middle. So it shows up right in the middle of any screen in case you share it. It's always better to have it right in the middle because Facebook does like to crop these sometimes. Then you're going to add the event name. So I'm going to do open house. Then I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4 Unicorn Way, 3 bedroom, 3 bath with a pool. Okay. Location, so you can put the location of your event. So in this case, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4 Unicorn Way. It looks like there are unicorn ways that do exist. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And you would want to put in the whole address in here too. Okay. Frequency. So if you're doing this open house regularly, then you can set up a frequency and set it up to be weekly, custom, daily. I'm just going to say this is a one-time event here. And I'm going to say that this starts, let's see, what do we say? May 28th is what we have on our little image up there. Okay, and you can set your times here as well. Okay. Now the category, you want to choose what category this belongs in. They don't have a whole lot of categories, so you just want to kind of pick whichever one fits the best. So in this one, I would probably say that this would fall under home or none. You don't have to choose a category. You can put in a description, tell people a little bit more about the event. So you could say the Lori Ballen team will be hosting an open house for 1, 2, 3, 4 Unicorn Way. This is a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, beautiful home in the Vistas. complete with a pool, 2-car garage, whatever you want to put in there. You can go ahead and put in keywords. They don't let you put in your own keywords, so you kind of have to find keywords that fit. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and choose real estate. If there's a ticket or a registration URL, maybe you want people to register for the open house ahead of time, you can put a link here. Your co-host, so if there's another team member that you would like to be in charge of this event as well, you can go ahead and link them here. Posting, you can choose who can actually post in the event. So you could say only hosts, anyone can post, but they must be approved before anybody else can see them, or anybody can post. Then you have the option to display the guest list to other people or hide it just by checking off this event. So then once you're done, you can hit publish, or you can schedule the event to pop up at a certain time. Okay? And that is how you set up a Facebook event. If you have any questions, you can contact us at team@ballenbrands.com. And if you're watching on our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. And if you want to learn more about online marketing and real estate marketing, then head over to ranklikeaboss.com and check out our online training course for you. Thanks for watching.